Yeah. Steven, will you open the door? Okay, guys, we're back. We got Steven. We was going to make a video on catching them, but that didn't go so well. We got some new baby chickens. Mom. And the people watching our videos.
Get that out of my face. I don't think anyone watches videos anymore.
We got some. Well, if you can't hear that annoying bull crap already, we got some dang baby chickens. We done fed them some bread, if you can see that. There's a little bit of water. What will we name them? I don't know. That will be in our upcoming videos. There's one of them, though. In our
call it Chick-fil-A.
This is our little chicken pen with the flipper.
And y'all may be missing a chicken soon because I may find one. How much are they for?
Well, we can't sell them until they're a certain age. Okay, there's a problem, guys.
What?
Hold on, just sit right here real quick. I'll be right back. Just hold it. Gotta get a hand. Okay. Yeah, it's on.
It's chicken proof now. Why you still got a hammer on it?
I'm gonna just extra chicken proof it to help. You know what? Never mind. It's good. But guys, here's a chicken pen. We're gonna fix that up. Watch for our next video. We'll be naming our chickens. Put it in the comment if you want. But guys, as I was saying, in our next video, we will be naming our chickens. If you got a chicken, yeah, he probably won't be here. But guys, if you got a chicken name, you want us to name one of them,
Put in the comments below.
yeah, put it in the comments. See you next time.